This is Huples Cat. I've got a cooking recipe for you without cooking, and you don't eat it, and it's probably not that useful in grid down. So what am I cooking? Well, first off, I apologise about the lighting. This was Kitty's idea. I'll show you it. She decided to change the lights from the horrible fluorescent bulbs. Anyway, I think we're going to be doing more of that because the lighting's inadequate. So, having spent about $120 getting that installed, we're going to have to get a new one. C'est la vie. Well, pardon my somewhat messy kitchen. I, like a lot of people, enjoy coffee, and I'm a teacher. Teachers like presents. Give your teachers presents. They're a very hard job. Not really. Other people have hard jobs. Teaching's dead easy. Now, nursing's hard. We have a dishwasher, so Kitty came across this recipe online, and this is the recipe to make dishwashing soap. I know it's kind of going to annoy you because I know you guys out there and girls out there really enjoy eating Tide Pods, but you know what? The plasticky and the chemically and the bad for the environment. So Kitty came across this recipe, and almost the entire time we use this on the normal Bosch dishwasher settings, but once in a while, I'll be honest, we have to put it on the extended extra scrub because it's not as gleaming as you might want. However, the plates are clean, and that's the point, isn't it? So what goes into this? As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So you can watch me make it. So it's pretty straightforward. What you need to get is an American measuring cup. So you can measure a cup. This would be a cup. Or you can just get a cup. So basically you get washing soda, and you get baking soda, and you get any coarse salt. This is one we've got, but you could use pink Himalayan salt for a pink detergent, and you get citric acid. This is about, I hope, 1 cup of citric acid because we didn't have enough of it. So let's make sure. Now you don't need to blend this, heat this, do anything with this. Okay, so that's good. So we have about a cup of citric acid. Put a dissecant powder packet in it, in it goes. Now because I'm using 1 cup of citric acid, it's 1 of the rest of them and half of salt. So let's do the salt next. Maçon au fil. I will have bought this because it was actually probably cheap at one point at Costco. So I want half a cup of this, which is weirdly about there. This doesn't have to be exact. Have you finished there, Becky? And here comes the fire trucks. No, she's not finished. You can't rush a bull terrier. Looking for treats. Have to wait. Okay, so now I want a cup of baking soda. I get my cup of baking soda. Also, and in it goes. And you can put these ingredients in any order at all. So now I'm going to use the washing soda. And that's it. A tub like this lasts us about 6 months or so. Just shake it up, and we tend to spoon it in, and it works quite satisfactorily. You don't get the chemical gleam, but the pots and pans are clean. And you literally pour it in the dishwasher into a normal place where you put a pod, and you turn the dishwasher on. That's all there is to it, folks. So the other thing Kitty got, she got non-plastic siliconized bags instead of glass containers with those plastic tops, and the plastic tops always break. And these can go in the fridge and freezer, they're easy to wash out, and for this is my porridge for work tonight. So I'll open it slightly, because you always have to have them slightly open, and I'll heat it in the microwave, and I'll eat it directly out of here and then wash this through. And she got a whole bunch of these. This is the manufacturer. It's Zip Top. She ordered it online. She wasn't drunk, and comes in a variety of packages and sizes. She has used these already, and she says they work very well, and we will see. We were very sick of dealing with those glass containers, because we don't want to microwave anything in plastic now, do we? Because science suggests strongly that that's not a very smart thing to do. So you want to microwave in glass or ceramic, or one of the new silicone type products that are coming out. They weren't cheap, I'll tell you that right now. Get to feeding the bull terrier before she eats me. Do you have any recipes out there? Kitty's been doing a few. She, like I say, she's making her own face creams and facial serums, and keep intending to video her, and every time I do she always says, "I'm not ready yet, I haven't practiced enough." That was a terrible Kitty impression. But she's extremely good at that, and it's really nice. And one of the things she also is making is normal detergent soap, and that works well as well. So we have dechemicalized our homes. Yes, I know these are chemicals, of artificial chemicals and dyes and scents, and I think that's a good idea. It certainly saves a huge amount of money. So what tips do you do in your homes to make us a cleaner, happier, less resource using world? I'd love to hear it. So consider this an open challenge. What unusual things do you do in your home to actually limit your impact on the environment and therefore save you money, or to save you money and when you think about it you're limiting your impact on the environment? I'd be intrigued to know. Obviously getting lights that are not using as much power is a good way of doing it, except when you want a video or you want to read a recipe in the kitchen while you're cooking. I don't think they're going to be long for here. Doodles! This has been a Bad Terrier production 2019.